Hello, Sarah Joubert here again. Welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about thumbnails for your YouTube, especially for affiliate marketers. Next week we're going to talk about the analytics in your dashboard, because what's the use if you do all the work and you cannot measure your success? As an affiliate marketer, I would suggest that you use a picture of yourself. The reason for that is we all know that companies come and go. So even if it's now 3 years, 5 years or 10 years, and then you must start your business all over again. So that is why you should start branding yourself. So you're going to use your own face in the video so that people follow you and not your product. Okay. Therefore, you're going to take a picture of yourself in a close-up. Make sure you fill most of the frame, but leave space to the side so that you can put wording there that will be on your thumbnail. Okay, we're going to go into how to do that just now. So your pictures should be friendly, and the most important thing, like with the videos, was that you must look straight into the eye of the lens, not into the camera. Can you see the difference? The reason why you do this is because if there's eye contact, it just grabs people's attention. So if there's 5 video thumbnails and one of them have good eye contact, automatically, doesn't matter of the coloring and the wording, whatever, people's eyes are going to go there. But to keep it is obviously more complicated than just that. Then we're going to go into the quality of the picture must be quite good. We're going to edit the saturation sound, but you must make sure again that you've got the right lighting and things. We went into that in the earlier videos. And we must crop it. It is 1280 to 720 with a minimum of 640. Okay, it cannot be smaller than that. And that's the biggest part of your thumbnail work that you'll have to do. Here again, you must remember, this is now the one place where less is definitely more. Okay? Try to get the wording to only about 3 words or 3 concepts, like YouTube for affiliate marketers. Now that 4, I will always put in small letters. If it's written there, YouTube titles affiliate marketers, your brain sort of put the 4 in there, but if it's big, then they can read it, or when they look closer. But what their eye get the first time must be definite, the keywords that you want it to be. The first thing you must look at here when you want to add your words is your background busy or not that busy? Now, I like to have a plain background like this. But if you've got a very busy background like the last one when I had that one in the rose garden, then I should actually have put a color block here with the wording across it. But I had such complications with my computer, then I just wanted to get it done. But what you do is you go into your editing and you just put a block. The brighter, the better, because it does get the attention. You can even go for neon colors. And the other thing about the colors, if you combine contrasting colors, like you would see I do, those colors are standing out from each other, so you can easily read the words separately or the concepts separately. Contrasting colors is the opposite on the color scale. It's like yellow and red, green and purple, orange and blue, but you can go and research that for yourself. But those things work best, or black and white. Just make sure that it's easy to read. And then we obviously have the letters that we use, the fonts. Now you get such beautiful fonts, but please don't go for beautiful fonts. Just go for fonts that read easily. Because you only have 1 second to get that person to choose your thumbnail. It's not like wording or whatever that you've got a few seconds to get their attention. It's literally you've got it or you have lost it. They're already on the other one. Make them as big as you can. Don't waste time at the bottom, on the end and the sides. Fill this whole space here. And I also always put my letters in bold just to make it even bigger. Now, if you don't want to use the color at the back, you can also just use under the editing thing in Canvas, you'll have elements. Now that just go behind the word or the two words that you type in it, like affiliate marketers or title, and it's just for that. It just fits itself behind your letters. So if you make the letters bigger, it will go bigger with your letters. Either say you use them for all your letters, white letters, and different elements between the concepts, which is then again contrasting, or you can use the same, but I think if you use contrasting elements with white lettering or yellow lettering on it, or black lettering, depending on what your background is. Oh, in Canvas there's a lovely tool that you can also use, and it works very well if you've got an element behind it, where you can put the words at a slant. Now you don't put all your words at a slant, just one, just your key word, because it's just one of those things your eye cannot help to go for that thing that's out of pattern. So if your word is at a slant, it is definitely going to draw more attention than a thumbnail without it. Then the other thing that you can do, if you just use lettering like I used to do with this plain background, you can use fonts with shades. I did it on the previous one with the YouTube. I put a shade on the YouTube. And you can use fonts that's outlined. I'm not so keen on that. Now you go to YouTube dashboard and you upload it there. If you cannot upload it there, you must just still verify your account. You go to your profile and find verify there. That's all for now. I'll see you next week with analytics. Like the page and subscribe. Share it with your team so that you can all make good videos. Bye for now. Bye.